Hello, good morning, everybody, Indians. Please, you need to think about our country. Our country is a very poor country. Almost 50% people's starvation and poverty experiencing hardship, agony experience in our country. Lot of people suicide and starvation death among these peoples. But 30% peoples, almost middle class peoples, hardly living in our country. Another 20% people, especially politicians and religious leaders, capitalists and bureaucrats, lot of money earning, also living, it's a luxury living, leading life in our country. These situations is a very difficult imbalance, very pathetic condition. How can this solve this problem? Very simply, this problem because of government unnecessary earning money system should prohibition. All the people, their own income, our family accomplished. Balance amount monthly or yearly of the government pay the government treasury. All the system complete control the government. That is a democracy. That is a socialism. This system, our forefathers, I mean, freedom fighters, Dr. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Mauna Abdul Kalam Azad, East Etestra people's very dreams. That dreams is a democracy and equal righteousness, legalism should given the people. That is a democracy. That democracy we will try my best implement in our country. Goodbye, Indian peoples.